In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage ChatGPT Atlas for efficiently summarizing Amazon product reviews. We all know how important it is to get the best insights from customer feedback when shopping online. Customer reviews can be a goldmine of information that offers valuable perspectives. Whether you're looking for the best wireless smart speaker or any other product, this guide will simplify the process for you. To start, you'll need to open ChatGPT Atlas. Make sure your internet connection is stable, as you'll be navigating between different platforms. Once ChatGPT Atlas is open, proceed by typing in Amazon in the search bar. This action is key as it directs you to the vast platform of Amazon, your go-to place for a vast array of products and their reviews. Once you see the link to the Amazon website appearing in your search results, click on it. This will take you directly to the primary marketplace where you'll find thousands of products available for purchase. Now that you're on the Amazon website, locate the search bar prominently displayed at the top of the page. Here, you'll type in the specific product you're interested in. For today's example, let's go with wireless smart speaker. This step is crucial as it narrows down the vast Amazon inventory to the product category you're expressly interested in. Once you've entered your product name, hit Enter and browse through the list of products that is generated. You'll want to select a product from this list that catches your eye, something with a substantial number of reviews. This is a critical step, as a larger volume of customer feedback provides a rich database for analysis. Click on the product to be redirected to its specific page. On the product page, you'll find extensive information, including specifications, pricing, and customer reviews. But don't feel overwhelmed. Here's where our tool of choice, ChatGPT Atlas, comes back into play. Look over to the sidebar on your screen and click on the option that says Ask ChatGPT. This feature is specially designed to make your task easier by presenting concise and relevant insights from customer feedback. Now, it's time to craft a prompt. The key here is to make it clear and focused. Type something like, "Summarize the customer reviews." This instruction will guide ChatGPT to pull vital information from the reviews, giving you a snapshot of general customer sentiment and key takeaways. Finally, once you're satisfied with your prompt, go ahead and click Submit. The AI will process your request and deliver a summary that highlights the product's strengths and weaknesses as perceived by previous buyers. This not only saves you time, but also helps you make an informed purchasing decision. And there you have it, a seamless, efficient approach to distilling customer reviews using ChatGPT Atlas. This method ensures that you spend less time wading through individual reviews and more time enjoying products that best meet your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!